friends, welcome back to my channel Style Diva. This is your friend Shalini. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I am going to share a haul, and this is going to be about my favorite brand, which is Bath and Body Works. And so there was semi-annual sale was going on their website, so I thought of getting some body mist and body butter and many more items. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna start with these two beauties. The one is Winter Candy Apple, and the second one is Frosted Coconut Snowball. These two items I bought during Christmas past year, but I thought of including these two in this haul as well. So I'm gonna start with this Winter Candy Apple. So this reminds me of apple cinnamon roll or pie. Yes, I can smell the not ripe apple, but I can smell the sour apple, which is green apple, and it has notes of cinnamon, a little bit sweet in fragrance. And if you like apple and cinnamon combination, then you're gonna like this. And now the second one, which is Frosted Coconut Snowball, which is gonna be your favorite if you like coconut. Oh my god, this is very beautiful, like coconut, eating coconut ice cream, sitting on a beach. Very nice. So it reminds me like during Christmas you're sitting on a beach and drinking coconut cocktail. So it has some sweetness of coconut, and it's like beachy. It gives me beachy vibes. So I liked it because I like coconut in my fragrances, so I like it. But I'm not a huge fan of this. I'm not gonna repurchase this. So my next purchase is this Sticky Bay Island Margarita. It gives me the vibe of sitting on a beach and having fruit martini. So, and I can smell guava fragrance into this, and it's very fruity. So if you like fruity scents, then you're gonna like it. So as the name suggests, it is Sticky Bay Island Margarita, and it's very sweet and fruity kind of fragrance. So I liked it. So my next purchase is this Salt Water Breeze. I have got all of them in a travel size bottles because it is very easy to carry them while traveling. And now I'm gonna sniff. Oh my god, this is so good. There is only one word description for this particular mist, which is fresh laundry. It gives me very sea kind of vibes, and it has salty notes. As the name suggests, salt water breeze. It's like, oh my god, I can't stop myself sniffing this again and again. This is my favorite from the collection. And now my second purchase is this Dark Kiss. It's very high scent. Oh my god, this is so strong. This is very strong. This is very sensual. Okay, now I know that why it is so hyped. Wow, this is so good. I mean, fruity, floral, and I can smell vanilla, tonka bean. So good. I'm gonna repurchase this, and I'm gonna try shower gel and body butter or body lotion if it is available in this range. I'm gonna try all of them. This is very good. Oh my god. And it is very strong, so it's gonna last like more than 12 hours. And if you want to be a center of attraction, then wear this perfume and you're good to go. If you're going to a dinner date, then this is your perfume. So it's like, it's a winter kind of fragrance. I'm not gonna wear this in summer, so it's a winter fragrance. So the next one is this Mad About You. I'm gonna spray this. It gives me the vibe of like walking into a flower garden. It's floral and a little bit sweet, but it's a pure floral fragrance. If you like floral scents, then you're gonna love this. Very nice. I mean, very subtle. It's not strong or it's not mild, but it's very, very subtle. I'm not sure, but I think it's not going to last more than 3 to 4 hours because it's very mellow kind of fragrance. So you have to reapply it after 3 to 4 hours. Now my next purchase is this, Into the Stars. I have got this mist and this body butter as well. This body butter is more than amazing. Why? I'm going to tell you. First, I'm going to talk about this Into the Stars. This is so nice. This is a night fragrance. I mean, if I'm going out somewhere in the night time, then I'm gonna wear this. This is not a day perfume, and it gives me some vibe of vanilla, sweetness, and musky, woody kind of fragrance. I think I'm gonna read the notes if they have notes here. Yes, they have notes. It has sandalwood, musk, sugar, tangelo, white agar wood. So it's a woody, it has woody notes, and I like woody and musky notes in my fragrance, and this is how the body butter looks like. And if you are applying this body butter only on your body, then it's gonna last like 5 to 6 hours around se chal jayega, and it's very, very, the fragrance of this body butter is strong. And if you are applying these two ka combo, and you're good to go, like 12-13 hours it's gonna last. Okay, so if you're wearing this perfume alone, this body mist alone, then it's gonna last 4 to 5 hours or 6 hours, maybe, depending upon the temperature of your body. Because if you're applying this body mist without wearing your lotion or any, you know, any body oil, then it's not going to be last. Okay, so next purchase is this warm vanilla sugar. It's like baking vanilla cake, as I said. It's warm fragrance, and I like to wear these kind of fragrance during winters, and it gives me very Christmassy vibes. Like during Christmas you can wear this, and when you bake the cake at home, vanilla cake, and your home filled with this kind of fragrance. It's sugary and it has warm vanilla scents, vanilla notes. It has vanilla notes, and it is warm, it is sugary, all balanced. So if you're a fan of vanilla and sugary kind of fragrance, then you're gonna like this. I liked it, but not in the summer. It's a winter fragrance. So next is this Bakiki Beach Coconut. I'm gonna, wow, this is pure coconut. If you are sitting at home and missing beach, wear this perfume. You will feel like that you're sitting on a beach and having coconut martini or coconut cocktail. It has some sweetness into it. Wow, like it's a pure coconut perfume. So if you like coconut, as I am a huge fan of coconut, so I have picked this one. If I will go to you know, on beach, then I'm gonna wear this perfume. You can, I mean, you can wear it on daytime. It's a very summery kind of fragrance, so in summer you can wear it. So next one is this is very hyped fragrance, which is 1,000 Wishes. And I liked it. Oh my god, this is very nice. It smells so good. It's not very strong, it's not very mild, it's a kind of, you know, in the mid. But if you don't like sweet fragrance, then you might not like it. But I like sweetness in my perfumes, so I like this one. So whether I'm gonna repurchase this or not, yes, I'm gonna repurchase this. So it's more sweet than floral, so if you don't like sweet fragrances, then you might not like it. But I liked it. Like, I like floral and sweet fragrances. Then and I'm gonna wear this during summer, not in winters. But you may like to wear it in winters, because mostly people like to wear sweet fragrance during winters. But I would like to wear it during summer. And like, you can wear it in the day or night, both time. Like, I can wear it anytime. So it's like very floral and fruity fragrance. So that's how I will describe this fragrance. Now I am coming on to my body butters, body lotion and body cream. I have got these 4 beauties. So this is the first body lotion, which is Noir, and it is from men's collection, and it says that it has 24-hour moisture body lotion. This smells like a man coming out of the shower. It's very sensual. I'm gonna read the note. The notes are black cardamom, smoky vanilla, hint of musk. So it is musky and spicy. I liked it. So that's how I'm gonna describe it, that a man coming out of the shower. It's very sensual, very sexy fragrance. So the next one is this In the Stars, which I have already explained to you. This is very thick. Like, it's gonna moisturize your skin for like 13-14 hours. Like but it says that over 24 hours of moisture. It has shea butter and shea butter and cocoa butter. If your body is not I mean, your skin is not very dry, then it's gonna provide the moisture over 24 hours. But if you're applying it during winters, then I think it's gonna provide 12 to 13 hours of moisturization. It has like, it is a huge quantity, and it has sandalwood musk, sugar tangelo and white agarwood, as I have already told you. So this is the body butter, and I have got the second body lotion, which is Moonlight Path. It says that it provides 24-hour moisturizer. You can open this like this, and you can take your product out and you can just close this. But I'm gonna open. Oh, it's very nice, yeah. It has night blooming jasmine. Oh, it has night blooming jasmine. That's why I was like कि मैंने ये fragrance कहीं पर तो sniff की है. So it's like it has sheer lavender, blue violet. Wow, it is like lavender and jasmine. It gives me very Indian vibes. This feels like that I am walking into a garden of night blooming jasmine plant, and during night time it's very nice. I am a huge fan of lavender and jasmine. It's very nice. It's like must try from Bath and Body Works. Their body butters and body creams are very nice actually. It provides 24 hours of moisturization. It has shea butter, vitamin E and coconut oil. So I mean all of their body butter and body lotion has shea butter and vitamin E. So they provide long lasting moisturization. So you can definitely pick these up. So my next purchase is this rose body cream. Again, it has shea butter. It says that it is 24-hour moisturizer, and it says that airy rose water blended with jasmine petals and creamy musk. So I'm gonna sniff it. So this is the consistency of the cream. It is very thick actually, not thicker than body butter, but it's thick than lotion. It's thicker than lotion. Oh my god, it's like that someone is showering me with a lot of millions rose petals. It has some musky vibe as it says that it is blended with creamy musk and jasmine petals. So it's very floral and musky kind of fragrance. I'm gonna buy the body mist from this range. This is so good, and it's kind of very moisturized, very moisturizing. Look at my skin. So last but not the least, I have these two hand creams, and they are very cute. Each one of them is 30 gram, sorry, not 30 gram, it is 29 ml. So this one is paraffin mint, and the second one is this oatmeal. So I have used both of them, and there is only one word description for this. Is a mint candy, and this one is a blended, freshly blended oatmeal. Like it is sweet, I would say sweet kind of fragrance. So this one is a winter fragrance, and this one is a summer fragrance. Both of them were $1.99 each on discount, and I mean I would say that in this price range these are the best hand creams. I have used many hand creams, even like the Body Shop, and these are the better than the Body Shop. And this is paraffin mint. This is much more moisturizing than this one, but I like to use this in the summer because it gives me like minty and like very, you know, summery vibes. It gives me some kind of cooling sensation while applying this. And so that's why I'm gonna apply this in the summer, because you don't want to you know, cooling sensation in winters. So I would like to use this in summers, and it gives me very sweet kind of fragrance. And so this I would like to use in winters. Even if your hands are extremely dry, but your hands gonna survive in winters if you will apply this hand cream. So I like both of them. Like their body lotion and hand creams are extremely good. I'm gonna repurchase both of them for winter and summer, and a little goes a long way. Like you don't need much product, and I'm gonna show you the texture of this. So this is the texture. It's thick, and it get absorbed into your skin very quickly. It's not at all greasy. Like after application, it does not feel that my hands are greasy or oily or sticky. It's really nice. Very sweet oatmeal fragrance. I liked it. So this video has come to an end, and that's all I have for today's video. I'm gonna meet you in my next video. And there is one thing I would like to say to all of you guys: please subscribe to my channel. And if you subscribe to my channel, it gives me motivation to make more and more videos. So it's a humble request that please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, so that this channel can survive and I can upload more and more videos. So that's all for this video, guys. I'm gonna meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.